I'm filming. You can go for it, Mr. Surgeon. She's going to be so happy. A big booger.
Oh, careful. Bless you.
Have you ever heard a turtle sneeze?
I have.
Aww.
You know what this is?
What is it?
Brain? That's a worm.
Oh, that is disgusting. And I think my stupid camera battery is going to die soon. Oh my god.
Careful of your arm. Oh god. Turtle baby. Holy crap.
What the fuck? Jesus fucking Christ. That is freaking amazing and gross at the same time.
Oh fuck.
Now she's bleeding. What, is it a hookworm?
I think it's a tube worm.
I'm sorry, little one. I think you like it better afterwards, though. How do you know? Can we actually...
I'm not sure if I don't want to pull it too hard. I don't know what's attached to it.
No, I understand that. Cutting it, yeah, maybe. Cause, yeah, I mean it's bleeding already. Maybe it's in her brain already. Who knows?
¿Ese es un gusano?
Sí.
See?
Por lo menos se ve como así. Is it alive though?
I have no idea.
It hasn't moved yet, has it? And it's not a hook, right? I mean, she can't get a hook in there.
If you could it.
Try to, yeah, but then we lose maybe the leverage to actually grab it right now. What is it? Oh, poor baby. I'm sorry. Careful, Mecto. Oh, Mecto, don't. No.
Sí. ¿Sí o no?
No sé, no.
No, I think
¿Cómo se siente? ¿Qué piensas que es?
Duro, sí, está como una concha rara.
I don't know how deep, and I don't want to pull it if it's like attached to a brain stem.
Yeah, that's exactly what I think. So don't, rather cut it maybe? I don't know.
I mean, I got scissors, but I don't have much. Let's try.
Yeah, could you, one of the swabs, the sterile swabs, could you put them into the iodine and then we're just gonna try to clean it?
Es que es durísimo.
No, pero no es un hook, por lo menos no es un anzuelo o algo de metal o algo que se metió raramente en la nariz.
Préstame para ver.
What is it? Let's keep it, or you keep it, right?
Yeah.
O es plástico.
Plástico? Is it a straw? Don't tell me it's a freaking straw. Because it looked like in Germany we have we have those with the black stripes. That would a straw, plastic straw. Because we have those. No, the swabs. Use that one for the one on the shoulder she has. But give me a swab. You know the one. Yeah. Okay.
You want it with some iodine?
No, es plástico,
yes,
¿no?
please.
Es plástico.
¿Es plástico?
It's not a freaking straw. Don't fucking tell me it's a freaking straw. Keep it, please. We're gonna look at that later on. I mean, that is just stupid. I mean, it looks like the straws that we have with black or red stripes. Man, yo no puedo creer. It's freaking straw.
Hey, I think we should give it another.
Ya lo mordí, es plástico. ¿Por qué lo mordió? Sí, intentó. Sí, yo ahorita lo mordí. Yo lo mordí ahorita y es plástico.
He bit on it and he said it's plastic.
Yeah.
It's a freaking straw up her freaking nostril.
That's plastic. That's not bone.
This is
that's
not
nothing.
even freaking
Look,
funny.
there's the lines on it. The black lines on it right there.
Yeah, that's what I thought, that it actually looks like the
It's a line
straw.
straw.
Should we give it another go?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my god, she has a freaking piece of
La
plastic.
pregunta es cómo
Okay,
llegó ahí.
didn't we have this discussion the other day of how useless freaking straws are? So, another
you
reason.
want a video for...
I'm filming the whole time, by the way.
I mean, you want an explanation for people to why we don't need straws anymore?
Yes, that's what I exactly think about. So this is the reason why we do not need plastic straws.
How could that have possibly got lodged so firmly in the nostril?
I guess it's a
Oh,
stuck.
you're okay, honey.
Oh my god.
Plástico hay que hacer caso, ¿no? Sí, mae,
She's bleeding from her shoulder still, but the thing is,
Yeah.
it looks in the video, it looks as if it's all coming out of her nose. But it's not. Oh
Oh,
man.
you're okay. It's almost there.
I'm so sorry, baby.
You can leave it for a while, maybe the pain is gonna disappear.
It will disappear.
Yeah, for a moment.
Yeah, the thing is, I mean, I would just wonder how she can breathe properly with that shit inside then. He said, yeah, I don't know.
Move it to the sides.
He said, yeah, like to kind of move it to the side instead of the front. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Oh man, I'm too. Could Veronica, could you do me another favor and try to, like, in the yellow box is the bags with all the batteries? Oh man. And there's like one for the Olympus camera, like the bigger ones, one of those bigger ones that's in there. Just keep it already in your hand because my battery is going to die soon, I think.
Se escucha trancada también.
Ah, but you have it already oh man. You have a little bit filled out already.
Hay que hacerlo sin lástima eso.
No, ese es, no podemos ver ahora. Oh man. Show me please, I want to.
Déjame para tomarle una foto.
Oh my god.
That is just freaking. Oh man.